We are pleased to show you the 2021 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.